Hi everyone, I'm Philip with iRobot, and this is the Roomba 104 Vac Robot. This exclusive Roomba is the perfect choice if you're looking for a great vacuuming experience at a budget-friendly price. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through a couple of my favorite things that this Roomba can do for you. And as you can see, I've already taken everything out of the box for this Roomba. But before we go any further, I did want to quickly mention the cardboard insert that comes inside, as this is going to give you a visual step-by-step guide on how to get your new Roomba set up for first-time use in your home. I'm going to jump ahead to step 5 here, and as you can see on the screen, it's a QR code that you'll want to scan with your phone, and this will take you to the appropriate store to download the Roomba Home app. From there, it'll take you through the prompts of getting your new Roomba on your Wi-Fi network to take advantage of a whole host of things we're about to discuss. All right, let's get started. So the first thing I wanted to talk to you about when it comes to this Roomba is how it's going to be able to tackle the numerous different types of flooring you have in your home and all different types of debris. Whether you have carpet, hardwood, vinyl, tile, a mixture of all the above, Roomba will transition from floor type to floor type with ease, and with powerful suction on all, it makes quick work of grass, dirt, and even the dust bunnies no matter where they hide. The next thing I wanted to talk to you about is how you can get that great vacuuming experience when and where you want within your home. This Roomba has our ClearView LiDAR navigation, which basically means it's super smart, and you get the choice to clean the entire home, specific rooms within the home, so think just the bathroom or the kitchen, or even smaller areas within the rooms themselves, think the area rug in the living room or underneath the dining room table. And what makes this Roomba even better is as it's navigating your home, it's going to automatically avoid bumping into walls and furniture and still cleaning those hard to reach areas like underneath the entertainment center. Now you have a whole host of different options available to you through the Roomba Home app, but if that's not your thing, it's totally okay. You can always get a great vacuuming experience with any of our Roombas by simply pressing the power button. All right, I could easily go on and on about what this Roomba can still do for you, but I also got to wrap this thing up so you can stop watching this video, add one of these to your shopping cart so you can start to enjoy what this exclusive feature-packed, budget-friendly Roomba can do in your home. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later.